Hi everyone, Dr. Ivan Khan here with this week's Education Update. High school seniors around the country celebrated their college acceptances with their families, friends, tutors, and mentors. Here at Khan's, we celebrated hundreds of college acceptances to schools like Sophie Davis Cuny Med, Columbia, Cornell, UPenn, NYIT DO, NYU, Weslyan, Fordham, Macaulay More. Many of our students at Khan started since as early as the 3rd grade, and after staying through the summer programs and completing our renowned SHSAT program, many have gone on to our top high schools. After returning for Regents, SAT, and college admissions, Khan students have been college-bound with tons and tons of scholarships. Congratulations to all of our proud families. See you all at our celebrations in the spring, and happy graduation to you all.